debunk the Benin assertion. What is the Benin assertion? The Benin assertion is that the IKWERREs arrived through their forebearer. That's what those who claim Benin story are saying. Ochichi, during the reign of IKWERRE. IKWERRE came to power in Benin in 1530 AD for record purposes. It will interest you to know IKWERRE came to power in about 1430 AD. And it will interest you to know that the Portuguese explorers, travelers, got to this part of the world in 1400 AD. 1400 AD. I will refer you to the works of Murray Talbot, Peoples of Southern Nigeria, Volume 1, page 238. It is there for anybody to go and read that the Portuguese came here 1400, and when they came, they got to Amafa. They met people, which is by the coast to Ijaw land, and that is IKWERRE land. They got to Isopo in the headquarters of the present-day IKWERRE local government area, 1400, 625 years ago. 625 years ago. That was far before IKWERRE came to power. Now, let me refer you to another book. Let me refer you to another book. A Short History of Benin, written by Julius Echeverria. Echeverria is spelled E-G-H-A-R-E-V-B-A. Julius Echeverria. He wrote a book titled His Short History of Benin. He said the earliest migration from Benin was in 1440. This is a Benin scholar writing. In 1440. Before any migration people left Benin, we were here. And the names were given, those the Portuguese met. Now, if you also read the work of the late Oba of Benin, Omo Eredua of Olopolo, who served as Assistant District Commissioner in the Old Ahoda Division between 1954 and 1965 for 11 years. He wrote a book, and the title of the book is, because I've cited that book for you before.
Yes.
I've cited it. The title of the book is important. I bring it out and cite the title of the book. The title of the book is Yes, My Obedient Servant. He said in black and white that the IKWERREs and the Iches are typical Igbos. He later became the Benin monarch. He was here for 11 years as Assistant District Commissioner in Ahoda. His book is there for anybody to go and read. He said the IKWERRE and the Iche are typical Igbos. Beyond that, for emphasis, we had ample opportunity to present our case to Henry Willink. We did in 1956 and 57. The report was made public. The report was published April 1958. In that report, it was clear that the IKWERREs are Igbos. The presentation of the IKWERREs was that from Port Harcourt to Onitsha was Igbo land. I don't know where they're getting